These still have a little more stain or dirt or scuff marks than I want them to have. And so I feel like everybody knows this trick, but just in case you don't, baking soda and water, like a mix, like you make like a paste. This is kind of loose, really, but it's kind of been sitting for a minute because I'm filming. But when you get a paste, like a consistency like this, like where it's not super runny, this works for me though. And then just like you're brushing teeth or something, you can scrub this part of your shoe and you'll see, can you see this? This will start to come clean. This part right here where it's scuffed, you can use, this is just a sand black, and that will kind of get that off. Between this shoe and this shoe, this is the one that I didn't do. Fabric. You can also use this mixture to clean your shoe, to actually clean the fabric part of your shoe. Just make sure you wipe it off real good or wash it off real good, because otherwise it'll be looking ashy and gritty. And then I may save these for a different video just because I don't think that I'm gonna have time for that today. Save those for another video another day. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see those, and we'll do cheetah print tongue on these. But for now. So also, as far as Tutu Tuesday goes, we may just change that to like Tutorial Tuesday or something. Okay, so I have my shoes ready, and I'm probably gonna wipe these down with a wet rag because they still have a little bit of dry baking soda on them. I haven't put the insoles back in yet because those are still in the dryer. And I wanted to show you these trays before I fill them with my stones. These trays, I ordered these on Amazon, and they're really cool. What they do is, I mean, you don't have to have these. You can just put your rhinestones in whatever. But see how some of these are upside down? See that? Okay, so see how some of these are upside down? And then when you shake it, it just makes it, these little grooves in here make the rhinestones flip over, so they're easier to pick up. I like to use the Pick Me Up tool, and this is by Silhouette. Now this doesn't have the original sticky stuff in it, but you can replace this and put sticky tack in it, because these are, I think, like $7 a piece, and they don't have much sticky tack in here at all. So once you start using it, if you do a whole lot of shoes like I do, you can't really use them that long, and I didn't want to keep buying one of these over and over and over, so I just used the same one. And my hubby knows how to take this apart, and we'll do another video on that, but my husband knows how to take it apart and put the sticky tack in it, and you can get a whole ton of sticky tack for like $2, and so you can just keep replacing this forever and ever and ever and ever again. And then you need some E6000 glue. That's what I like to use. Resin rhinestones. These aren't Swarovski. Obviously, if you know about Swarovski, you would know that these are not sparkly enough, but these are super, super sparkly. And these, I'm able to make my customers' products affordable and super sparkly, and everybody seems to like these, and I like these too. And this is the size that I like to use. You can get really tiny crystals, and it creates a different look, but it's so time consuming. And so this is the size that works really good for me. So again, I'll leave that in the description box, and I'll try to put that on the screen. So this is how you get started. You can put these on however you want, but I like to work from one side to the other like in a rainbow. Okay, so this is where we are so far. I have the toes done and the backs done. And from here you can do different things, like sometimes I put, this is super ashy. Sometimes I put names on them like these. I put a name on it using the Cricut and some HTV vinyl. And you can bling it all kinds of ways. But I'm going to use some more of these resin rhinestones. Here's some AB ones. So they're kind of, it's not iridescent, I don't know, it just changes colors. These are super sparkly. So these kind of, I like these because they kind of give you the look of Swarovski crystals without costing, without the price of Swarovski. So those, and then these are really fun. I have pearl flatbacks, and I like these because I have these in different sizes, and so that's really good for making them fit in there really tight, as you will see. So how we do this is we just use our E6000, and I like to start here. Some people do the entire all up here. I don't usually do that, and I don't think I'm going to do that today. I usually just go right around here and through the back. And then you can do this a couple different ways, like on here. Here's one that I just put a few on, and then there's this one. These are for orders. These are going to go out soon. And then this one, I kind of gradually, this is what I usually do. I usually start, I got glue on my finger. I usually start really heavy right here and then just kind of fade out. But for these, I think I'm going to bling the entire thing because I'm not going to put my name on these. I was going to, and then I decided not to for this shoe. Maybe if it was a high top. I don't know. I don't want to. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, so here's how the shoes came out. They're all done. I'm really happy with how they turned out. They are very sparkly and not bad for $8, huh? And of course you can do this with a brand new shoe, but now you can also see how you can do it with a used shoe.